Hi guys, welcome back to another episode today. In this following tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix your DNS error on Ps4. So if you're facing an issue with your server, then what you can do is you can try following these steps. So first thing, when your Ps4 DNS error pops up on your screen, you won't be able to play games or use any of the services associated with Ps4. So the internet connection, including Wi-Fi or LAN connection, is also responsible for the DNS error on Ps4. To make sure there's no problem with your Wi-Fi and LAN connection, you can try connecting Ps4 to the same network on other devices. If there haven't any problem during the process, it indicates that the Wi-Fi and LAN connection can work well. So you can try following the steps. The step number 1 is you can try changing your DNS settings. So all you need to do is open up your Ps4, and after that head over to your home menu and then navigate to the settings icon and press the X button on the console. After that, you'll need to go ahead and click the network in the settings menu. After that, you need to go ahead and click the settings menu and then click on setup internet connection. Now you'll need to click on network in the settings menu and click on setup network connection. Then you'll be asked how to connect to the network. Here you can select Wi-Fi or LAN cable, whatsoever is preferred to you. After that, you need to follow the prompt in order to connect following network. After doing that, you might be able to fix the issue all at once. If nothing seems to be working, you can try reset your Ps4. So in order to reset your Ps4, you need to turn off your Ps4 completely and remove the power cable from the back of the device. After that, you need to disconnect all the peripheral from your Ps4, including modem, router, controller and other external devices as well. And wait for at least 2 minutes and then reconnect everything to Ps4 and make sure there is no damage when connecting again. After that, plug the cable power and turn on your Ps4 console. That might be able to fix the issue. However, if nothing seems to be working out, then it is time for you to get help of a professional or a support team. So that's basically how you can fix your server issue on Ps4. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.